Good morning, Bellinger Creek. It is Mrs. Stein, and I'm thrilled to be back with you on this fabulous Thursday, January 20th, and I have two special guests today. In my time with you this morning, I'd like to talk a little bit about and reflect on Monday, which we celebrated Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a minister and an advocate who ensured that all of us are able to live in pursuit of a life where everyone is equal, free, and fair. And we know at Ballinger Creek, we share that every single person in this school matters, and every single person is important to who we are. So in celebrating him and in reflection on that this week, I would like to, before we talk with our friends, acknowledge that we had our Martin Luther King Jr. Fcps celebration, and we selected 5th grade student Lila Green, and she was selected to be our ambassador and our King Award winner for this reason. Lila is a friend to everyone in the classroom. She treats her peers and teachers with kindness. She is always willing to lend a helping hand. Many mornings, Lila will volunteer her time in the media center to help sort and shelve books. Lila's teacher noted she's an exemplary student who always tries her best and perseveres through challenging tasks. She's responsible, she follows directions, and she is a wonderful role model for all of the students at Bellinger Creek. So this morning, I would like to pause and thank Lila Green for her leadership in our school, because many times what leadership looks like is leading by example and showing through your actions to others what a great place our school can be for those who are in pursuit of making it that way. So we celebrate Lila. Congratulations. You are a wonderful representation of our school. And so with that, I have two other friends with me. I have Colton Shope. Say hi, Colton.
Hi.
And we have Corbin Meyer. Say hi, Corbin.
It's Moyer.
Moyer. Say hi, Corbin.
Hi.
So Corbin and Colton in Miss Nagley's class worked on a project. Can you tell us a little bit about the project? What were you told to do?
So we were told to make a collage about Martin Luther King Jr. Day and to put down words that he said that were very powerful to people.
Yes, and as we shared in his advocacy of civil rights for all people, Martin Luther King Jr. was able to express things in a very powerful way and use words that cause people to reflect on their actions and reflect on our laws and the ways that we were moving forward as a society. So what were some of the words that you pulled out? Are you able to read and kind of show it sideways? What are some of the powerful words from Martin Luther King Jr., Colton, that you chose?
Well, I chose give love. He did want everybody to show love. And I found key to freedom, where everybody deserves the equal rights and freedom. And the one that I liked the best was embrace change.
Embrace change. And while you talk about embracing change, I'm just going to put this a little bit closer to the screen so everyone watching can see. Tell us why embracing change was important to you.
Because everybody is different and everybody can be loved the same and everybody can do the same of what everybody else can do.
Wow, that is so powerful. Everyone's different, but we all deserve the same love. Colton, that is amazing. I hope you all remember that today. Okay, Corbin, your turn. Can you share some of the powerful words from Martin Luther King Jr. that you put in your collage?
I put peace, love, free, dream, and okay. Leader, I have a dream.
Beautiful.
And the one that stands out to me the most is peace. Because
And while you share why it's important to you, I'm going to hold yours up close here So tell us why peace is so important.
Because the world would be a better place if we had more peace.
Isn't that wonderful? So, fabulous lessons as we reflect this week on a most inspirational and impactful leader that's changed our world and our lives, Martin Luther King Jr. And from these fabulous two students in Miss Nagley's class and her awesome project, Colkin and Corbin, we certainly do agree that peace in our school, in our community, is a wonderful thing for all of us, and that we are all deserving of love and support. And that is absolutely most important here at Bellinger Creek, boys and girls. Remember, be you, be here, be you, and you belong. We all love you. Have a fabulous Thursday.
Bye.